Hey guys, so let's quickly compare the specs of the Armor 26 Ultra with that of the Doogee V Max Plus. Make sure to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel. So without further ado, let's dig in. So the Armor 26 Ultra has a 6.78-inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD punch hole display with a 120Hz refresh rate, while the display of the V Max Plus measures 6.58 inches and it's a Full HD Plus IPS LCD teardrop notch display with a 120Hz refresh rate. And both devices have the Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection. The Doogee V Max Plus run on the Android 14, while the Armor 26 Ultra ships with the Android 13. Now for performance, the Armor 26 Ultra is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8020, while the Doogee V Max Plus is powered by the Dimensity 7050, which means that the Armor 26 Ultra will definitely perform better than the V Max Plus. It's a much more powerful, rugged phone. In terms of memory, the Armor 26 Ultra has 12GB RAM and 512GB internal storage, while the Doogee V Max Plus has 16GB RAM and 512GB internal storage. For photography, the V Max Plus features a triple rear camera setup consisting of a 200MP primary sensor, followed by a 20MP night vision camera and an 8MP wide-angle lens, and its front-facing camera is 32MP, while the Armor 26 Ultra has a quad rear camera setup led by a 200MP sensor. Have in mind that the 200MP camera of both devices is the ISOCELL HP3, followed by an 8MP telephoto lens, a 50MP ultra-wide-angle lens, and a 64MP night vision camera. And its front-facing camera is 50MP. The battery capacity of the Armor 26 Ultra is 15,600 mAh, and it supports 120 watts fast charging, as well as 33 watts wireless charging via docking stations. It also supports reverse wired charging, while the Doogee V Max Plus is backed by a 22,000 mAh battery, but its charging speed is not revealed. The V Max Plus is also said to support reverse wired charging, but it doesn't support any kind of wireless charging. So other features of both devices are pretty much the same. They both have Bluetooth 5.1, NFC, they're both IP68 and IP69K compliant. Both devices has a side-mounted fingerprint scanner and they support face unlock. They both support 5G connectivity. The Armor 26 Ultra supports Wi-Fi 6. I cannot say the same for the Doogee V Max Plus. And as regarding price, the Armor 26 Ultra currently costs about $334, while the V Max Plus is expected to cost less than the Armor 26 Ultra. Anyway, which of the two devices do you think is best in your opinion? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.